Hello YouTube land, Wtench Mike here. Today you're in for a treat because we're giving that ML500 a facelift, just like me. Ooh, check out my profile. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous with girl. All right, hopefully this turns out better than my $2.99 facelift. Yeah, that's $2.99 for Scotch tape. Looked pretty good, didn't it? Okay, so what we're doing today is, you'll notice my aftermarket bumper is missing a couple of pieces. So we're gonna put on some fog lights. I did go ahead and order some new brackets for the fog lights. Okay, see right there, these are the Mercedes brand. I spent the extra $20. I have two fog lights right there. And I ordered this, the grill, the lower grill, off of eBay, and they said that it would work. But let me show you something. If you put it up here and you line it up to that edge, okay? You line it up to that edge, look what happens. You run out. It's too short.
Oh, hell
no. Good. No. Okay, so what does this tell us? Well, I think it was 03, 4, and 5s have different bumpers. Okay, so the grill insert from a 99 to probably an 02, I think, will not work. It's too short. It's not usable. Okay, so make sure you order one for the proper year. This is an 05 ML W163 model, and this does not work. Okay, so the first thing we have to do to remove the bumper, and because you can't just add this, because you have to get back here to do this. Okay, you got to take off some bolts. It's super easy to do. There's actually just 2 bolts right inside here on each side, and then you have a bolt right there, and then a bolt on the bottom as well. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, if I remember correctly. Okay, so let's take off the bumper and we'll see what we have to do next. We are back, and I have the bumper off of the car, and look what else. I saved the old crappy beat up bumper, and you always want to do this because you got to compare and see what the heck is going on. So I noticed that when I was trying to put those brackets in, okay, right here, they were having a hard time staying put. Well, look, see the difference? New, missing something, old has got something. Yeah, so these brackets right here need to be transferred over. And then also what I'm going to try to do, I have a couple of plugs for the parking sensor holes, since I thought I had parking sensors, but I don't. Okay. Plus, I think this has been in a little bit of a tizzy, okay? So this is a little different than what came out of the factory. If you know what I'm saying, I'm just saying, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take these things off. Literally, it's just 3 little screws, okay? So we're just gonna take this off. We're gonna put them on that right there, and then we're gonna continue on. All right, stay with us. So we're back. It's been about 30 minutes or so, and I hate to admit it, but you'll notice this assortment, yeah, of zip ties. I could not figure out, even though there's no, little brackets or anything right here. I went to the hardware store and I got all of these things to put around it, but I just can't figure it out. So this is temporary, and I still have to get one of the light bulbs right there. It's an H8, so I'll get that and put that in there. But it works. This will be fine. Okay, it's just temporary, like I said, until I can get another bumper and get a diagram and figure out how these stupid things go on. And I did kind of plug the holes for the fake parking sensors. I have 2 holes up front. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know. You can only do so much. This car was living a hard life before it came to Wtench Mike. Yeah, he was, yeah, kaboom. Kaboom, kaboom. So We're going to put this back together. I'm not even going to turn on the lights because I don't have a light bulb in that one. So we just won't use fog lights. It's not going to be foggy for a while here in Oklahoma. So let's put it on and we'll see what it looks like. Okay? Yeah, let's do that. And that, my friends, is how you put on a front bumper on the W163. I'm losing my voice for some reason. So anyway, fog lights look 100 times better than just fog light spaces. So we still have to find one of these parts right here, because remember, if it's an earlier model, 98 to 02, I believe, you get it to here. You have to get the long one, okay? So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 notches on the bottom, and then I'll know that I will have the correct size, okay? Look at that. She's getting pretty. She's so pretty. Pretty girl. So we're going to wrap it up. That's another video. Thank you for watching. Wtench Mike here. Coming up next, I have 2 cars left in the other city, so we're going to go pick up one of the cars this weekend. They're both old cars. I have a W140 and a W126. One of them will come back to Tulsa. We'll find out what it is. But round of applause for Miss ML 500. She's looking pretty. All right, bye everybody.